Hello everyone, I'm Jeff, and this is Lola and Jeff Reviews channel. Today we're delving into the world of home security with our top picks for the best 5 video doorbells of 2024. Whether you're looking to enhance your home security or simply keep an eye on your front porch, these video doorbells offer the perfect solution. Join us as we explore the unique features and benefits of each video doorbell to help you make an informed choice for your home. Let's start with our top pick, the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell, which takes the #1 spot on our list. This video doorbell stands out for its high-definition video quality and comprehensive security features. With its 180-degree viewing angle and HD video resolution, the Arlo Essential ensures you capture every detail, day or night. The integrated motion detection and two-way audio allow you to interact with visitors in real time, adding an extra layer of security. Additionally, the Arlo Essential is compatible with major smart home systems, making it a versatile and reliable choice for any home. For more details, check the link in the description. Next at number 2, we have the Zoomamal Doorbell Camera Wireless. This video doorbell is known for its wireless convenience and ease of installation. The Zoomamal offers a wide field of view and high-definition video, ensuring you don't miss a thing. It also features advanced motion detection and customizable alert settings, allowing you to tailor the notifications to your preference. The two-way audio functionality lets you communicate with visitors directly from your smartphone. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation and reliable performance, the Zoomamal Doorbell Camera Wireless is an excellent choice. Check the link in the description for more information. Moving on to our third pick, we have the ecobee Smart Video Doorbell Camera. This doorbell camera is praised for its smart integration and advanced features. The ecobee doorbell offers crisp video quality and a wide viewing angle, ensuring you get a comprehensive view of your doorstep. Its smart motion detection can differentiate between people and other moving objects, reducing false alerts. The ecobee Smart Video Doorbell also integrates seamlessly with ecobee smart home products, providing a cohesive and intelligent home security system. For those who value smart home integration and advanced features, the ecobee Smart Video Doorbell Camera is a top contender. More details are available via the link in the description. Taking the 4th spot is the Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro. This video doorbell is recognized for its affordability without compromising on quality. The Wyze doorbell provides clear HD video and a wide field of view, capturing all the important details. It includes features such as customizable motion detection, zones and two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with visitors from anywhere. The Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro also offers cloud storage options, ensuring you can review past events at your convenience. If you're seeking an affordable yet effective video doorbell, the Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro is a fantastic option. Check the link in the description for more details. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the Doorbell BOA Anti-Theft Video Doorbell. This unique video doorbell stands out for its anti-theft design, ensuring your investment remains secure. The Doorbell BOA offers high-definition video quality and a broad field of view, capturing all activities at your doorstep. Its innovative anti-theft bracket makes it difficult for thieves to tamper with or remove the doorbell. Additionally, the Doorbell BOA features motion detection and two-way audio, providing comprehensive security for your home. For those concerned about theft and security, the Doorbell BOA Anti-Theft Video Doorbell is an excellent choice. More information is available via the link in the description. And there you have it, the best 5 video doorbells in 2024. Each of these video doorbells offers unique features to suit different security needs, from the high-definition Arlo Essential Video Doorbell and the convenient Zoomable Doorbell Camera Wireless to the smart integrated ecobee Smart Video Doorbell Camera. The affordable Wise Wireless Video Doorbell Pro and the secure Doorbell Bow Anti-Theft Video Doorbell. Whatever your security requirements, there's a perfect video doorbell for you. For more details and purchasing options, check the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Lola and Jeff Reviews, for more insights into the latest and greatest products on the market. Thank you for joining us, and stay secure.